Hi everyone, my name is Claire and I'm a Durham College student. I'm in my second and final year of the Advertising and Marketing Communications program here at DC, and it has been a fantastic experience. I'm doing a Q&A today, so the question that was asked to me was, can I share my experience of living in residence on campus? So I am not from too far away, but I was so grateful to have the experience of getting to live in the residence. I worked in the residence. It was one of the best and most favorite parts of my entire time here at school. I got to live where I studied, I got to make great friendships, and it was very convenient. So a lot of the population at DC, they commute to school, which I got to meet so many people that came from far and wide. I made some great friends that were always on campus, and then I got to make some great friends that I got to live with as well. So my roommate that I actually got to live with in residence my very first year is still my best friend to this day. So there is some great benefits for living on campus. I totally recommend it. You get to dine in the dining hall. You don't have to cook your meal if you live in South Village. Simcoe Village, you get that freedom of cooking your own meal, or you can still get the meal plan and come over to South. So I made friends between both buildings. There's two different buildings here at the Oshawa campus. I made friends between both of the buildings. They've now even got the Whitby residence, which is brand new since I started being a student here at DC. There's so many options for where you can live as well as where you can go to school, but I went here at the Oshawa campus and I cannot recommend it enough. One of the great things that I recommend is the Residence Council. You can be a part of what you want to run for events in residence. The RAs, so those are your residence advisors. They're upper year students that live in the residence and they work there as well. I had the pleasure of being an RA. You get to know so many students, whether they go to DC or the shared school that's here on our campus as well, Ontario Tech. You make friends from both institutions and you get to live where you're making your friends. There's always someone around. It's a fantastic time. Who doesn't like to get out of bed and just think my class is a few feet away and you've got time to do everything that you want to do before you get there? You're never in a rush to get around. It's a great student experience. I recommend it for anyone that can do it. I had a fantastic time in residence and I know that you will too. So this is Claire talking about my residence experience here at Durham College, and we hope to see you here. Bye now.